Welcome to another Tiny Garage video. In this Tiny Garage video, we're going to take a look at this Jeep Wagoneer from Matchbox. This is a 2017 casting, number 22 of 35 of the MBX Road Trip series. As we can see, Jeep Wagoneer down the side. And this is part of the 65th anniversary series for Matchbox. This is a great truck. It's classic off-road with wood paneling down the side, as you can see in the card art. Big off-road tires. Really a classic 4x4 from the 70s and 80s. And these have become a collectible vehicle in real life. And Matchbox has done a pretty good job. So I think we'll open this up and get a closer look. So here we have our Matchbox Jeep Wagoneer out of its packaging, and we can take a closer look at it. If we look at the side, we can see that great wood paneling down the side. There's some fine detail here we can look at in the photo gallery a little bit later. So some badges, some door handles, and gas cap, all painted silver, which is really nice. You've got a nice chrome bumper here, and even a trailer hitch. So that's really cool. Roof racks on the top, and this great red metallic paint. It's kind of a burgundy, but it's kind of a red, a vintage color. It's really nice. And as you can see, it's got a tan interior, so that looks really cool, and the dash in there. Let's go ahead and turn around to the front. So the front's got a lot of detail. It's a little hard to see because it's chrome. The whole thing is chrome, but it does look good. Nice square, boxy look. When we look at the passenger side, and we can see those great big off-road tires. They look really good with the chrome rims. And the base is chrome as well, plastic base. And then if we take a look at the back, we can see the trunk and gate and all that stuff. We can see the post. I don't like this, how you can see the post from the rivet here coming up through the back. But there's not really a better way to attach that, I guess, so I can allow it. But overall, this looks really good. I think that they did a really good job capturing what this vehicle looks like in a 1/64th scale. So I'm excited to put this in our collection. And if you like this video, make sure you leave us a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you haven't already done it, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you on the next video.